Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to cut and sew a basque waistline neatly. So the first thing you will do is to get the center part of your skirt, that is the down part you're fixing your basque. Then also mark out the center part for your upper bodies. So place it the way I say me do. Make sure the two edge is touching the edge of the skirt. So after you are done with that, you go ahead to mark out your basque waistline that you have already cut out, the shape that you want. So like you see me do. Then after you are doing that, you add half an inch on that's for sewing allowance. So the next thing I did was to fold it into two. So that way while I'm cutting, the two sides will be equal. So after doing that, I make sure I arrange it very well on the make sure it's on the center. Then I'll go ahead to cut on that allowance that I added. So this is what it looks like after cutting the shape that I'm working with. So this is it. So the next thing is I'll go ahead and make a notch on the center part. So that way it will be easy for me to sew. So I'll make a notch. So the next thing I did here was to stitch my skirt part, the part that I cut together, so that it will be together while fixing. So the next thing is to bring the center that I notch half inch. I'll go ahead and pin it to the center of the upper part. Then I'll use my office pin to pin it from the center. So I'll do that from that center to the side. So while you're fixing this, while you're making your basque, make sure to do it step by step. So that way you get a neat sewing after. So I'm gonna ahead to pin it like you're seeing me do. So after that, I'll go ahead and sew from that center that I notch half inch. I'll sew to the other side. So after sewing the first part, I'll go ahead and turn it over to the other side and start sewing from the center. So while doing this, you still go ahead to secure with pin. That way your sewing will be very neat. And to make sure that your that is your upper part and the down parts are equal while sewing. So after pinning the other side, I'll now go ahead to sew. Are you seeing what I did here? So I went back a little, like 1 inch, to start sewing, so that way it will not lose from that point. Then I started joining it. So I'm moving the pin here. So after sewing, this is what it looks like. So you go to your ironing table and give it a nice press. So after sewing, this is what it looks like.